welcome to Maths with Ish. Now let's solve this problem on indices, okay? We are told that if m raised above m is equal to 2 raised above square root of 200, we should find m. Now, the solution to this is this. What we are going to do now is this. If we check this left-hand side, we have m raised above m, so the number, the power, and the number and the base are identical, okay? So what we are going to do is that we are also going to make this right-hand side to have the base and the power to be identical. Here the base is 2 and the power is square root of 200. They are not identical. So I'm going to make this right hand side to be identical. If I succeed in making them identical, then the m becomes the value of the corresponding value on the right hand side. Okay, so let's go, let's do that now. Want to go. So my first step is this. I know that if I split this 200 to 100 times 2 by our laws of surd, this will give me 2 raised to the power of square root of 100 times square root of 2. Okay, and that will give me square root of 100 is 10, and then times root 2. Can you get that? Okay. Now, also, I can also decide to split this 10 as 5 times 2. If I split this 10 as 5 times 2, that will give me, I can now write this as 2 raised to the power of 5. Through my powers laws of indices, I can put this in a bracket, and then this and this can be outside the bracket. They are the same thing through my laws of indices, my power rule. Okay? Okay. Now, let's go again. Remember, the power here is having a square root sign. Our aim is we want this base to be like whatever the power is. Now, since the power has a square root sign, we are also going to try to make this base to have a square root sign, because there is no way we can get rid of this square root sign on this 2, this root 2. So we're also going to make this base to have a square root sign. Our aim is that we want both the base and the power to be what? Identical. Now, okay, so what we are going to do next is this. You see this 2? I know that 2 is equivalent to square root of 2 squared, okay? This 2 is the same thing as this. Then I have times 5. Then bracket 2 root 2, okay? So this 5 is this 5. Then 2 is the same thing as square root of 2 all squared. Can you see that? Okay, now that will give me, this is going to give me square root of 2 raised to the power of 10. Okay, sorry, it's above 5 bracket 4 root 2. Can you see that? Now what I simply did is this 5 is this, then this, I have to take this one outside the bracket, so this 2 times this 2, that makes it 4. Okay, what I'm just doing here is adding my laws of indices. If you know your laws of indices, all this becomes very easy for you. And then next, I know that square root of 2 raised to the power of 5 is same thing as 4 root 2. Okay, that's what this one is going to give me, square root of 4 root 2 raised to the power of 4 root 2. Okay, now what can you notice now? You can notice now that the base and the power are now the same. So therefore, our m is equals to 4 root 2. And this is our solution. So I hope you've gained value from this. Thanks for watching. To have a good day. Bye.